Ready for our adventure?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, hold my hand. Look at the sunlight through the trees.
Wow, it's so pretty. Careful now, let's see what's inside. Oh, look, everything's broken. What happened here?
So many things are broken. Even the TV?
And the table? It's all smashed up.
And the bed, too. Look at this. We have to see what's outside.
Yeah,
Let's go.
One, two, three, four.
Wow, look at all the trees.
and the hills. Can we go there?
Yes. Look, the car is here to take us.
Okay, let's go.
Right, let's get this sorted. This mold has to go. Now for the walls. Much better.
Hey, I need some more nails up here! All right, sending them up now. Careful on that beam, it's loose. You pile it up almost smaller.
Let's get this floor cleared first.
Windows next, this frame is ready.
I'll scrub these walls thoroughly. Okay, let's get this trash cleared up. Great, let's get the mattress on. Curtains are up, let's turn on the light. Let's get this trash bin cleaned up first.
Got it, I'll handle the random things. I'll open the window for some air.
Perfect, now we can set up the bed.
All set.
Hey kids, want to watch some Tom and Jerry?
Yes, Thomas!
Let's go.
Look, he's getting away. Yeah.
This is so much fun.
What's the matter, Tom? Can't catch me?
Oh, I'll get you, you little pest. Swaggy ta-da.